Hello and thank you for joining me today. In this video, I will guide you through the simple process of deleting your account in the Skyscanner mobile app. Whether you want to take a break or start fresh, this step-by-step tutorial will help you complete the process quickly and easily. First, open the Skyscanner app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon. Then, from the profile menu, tap on Your Details. Then, scroll down and tap on Account Management. Here, you will see the option to delete your account. Tap on Delete Account to proceed. Finally, confirm your choice by tapping on Yes, Delete when prompted. This will permanently remove your account from Skyscanner. That's it. You have successfully deleted your Skyscanner account. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.